Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make your AI images talk in Canva. And here's how it's done. 1. Create or upload your AI image. If you already have AI generated image, upload them to Canva by clicking on Uploads and selecting your image file. Or use Canva's AI tools to generate images directly in Canva. 2. Add the image to your design. Drag the uploaded image to your design space. 3. Add text to speech or voiceover. Go to the audio section on the left sidebar and search for any available text to speech options. Canva might have specific voiceover tools depending on your plan. Alternatively, upload a voiceover file if you have pre-recorded audio. 4. Animate your image. To create a talking effect, select your image and click on Animate in the top toolbar. Choose an animation that suits your design, such as fade in or bounce. 5. Sync audio with image. After adding the voiceover or text to speech, align it with the image by adjusting the audio timeline in Canvas Editor. Ensure the voiceover or text to speech matches the timing of the animation or movement of the image for a seamless talking effect. 6. Export or share your design. Once everything is synced and ready, click on Download in the top right corner to export your animated design as a video. That's everything you need to know about how to make your AI images talk in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.